Hello, today I'm going to show you how to adapt a new instrument cluster in ODIS Online. To do this, you need to be logged in and have an active Geeko account. Now I'm logging in. First, we check whether ODIS has automatically selected the correct vehicle, and we also verify that the VIN matches the car. Next, we locate control unit address 0017, which is the instrument cluster. I right-click from the menu, I select Identify Control Unit. Now I open the event memory list to check for faults stored in Control Unit 17. Then I click on Special Functions and look for 0017-Panel Insert Component Protection. At this point, ODIS starts loading data from the immobilizer module. Now I need to switch the ignition off. Next, I place the key in the center console where the key reader is located. Now we switch the ignition back on. At this point, the component protection has been removed from the instrument cluster. Now it is necessary to perform SVM for the new Control Unit 17. ODIS Online has now calculated and uploaded the parameterization and calibration data. Now we check the fault memory again and make sure that all faults are shown as passive. Here we can see that all faults are passive, which means the procedure is complete. Now I disconnect from the vehicle. And finally, if anyone is interested in online coding, feel free to contact me or visit audisonline.eu.